Hey everybody, welcome back. We got a project done. Bam. And to think, some of you probably doubted me. You should have known I was going to do it. But there it is, we got it done. I knocked this out last night. But does work. Take you for a ride here in a minute. But this one, I'm going to fix this cable a little bit later. But these B's and C's are so small up here in this area. It was a real pain, and I couldn't do it like I did the F20 and put a brake pedal on the bottom to stop the wheel. Works fine, but I ended up going this route. I put an idler and brought a cable around to a hand clutch. So that's what I had to do on this one, and seems to be working fine. And let's start it up. I know everybody wants to hear it run, which you done did, but still, it works. Same setup the F20 had. Everything running. Got the pulley on it, set up, got the shaft in there. Everything's working good. Got set up on pillow block. So it's pretty well the same setup. Shut that noisy thing off, but it's pretty well the same setup. And the wind is blowing out here, so hopefully it ain't too bad. And I've got my external mic on with a windsock, so hopefully it ain't horrible. But anyway, we got this done. I got 212cc 6.5 horse Predator engine on an Alice Chalmers. Now that's cool. That's better than the 13 horse on the F20. And we're going to run this. We're going to try this same thing, run equipment. And the first thing I'm going to use it on is a brush hog, because the F20, the way the PTO was way up under it, I couldn't do it without custom building of stuff and a bunch of headache. This one I can just put it on, because I've got one I had on another B or C, they're the same thing pretty much, but I had one on another tractor, and it will give me a comparison. Right now the gearing feels pretty good on it. So, but there it is. I mean, it's done. Let's just go for a little ride, shall we? You gotta love that. One pool. Kind of fun to get up here, but hold on. You can sit right here. You'll watch that hand clutch. It's kind of fun. It's gonna be fun. Got a hand clutch, I got hand brakes, and I'm holding a camera, so bear with me a minute here. Take you for the ride, so to speak. Hold on. Oh, I didn't get in gear all the way. There we go. Grind me a pound. Alright. That was kind of fun. But it worked. Here's how I got my throttle. I took a choke cable, drilled the hole out a little bit. Works real good. And this thing works awesome. Said we're moving right along. You can see it up there. It does work. And this is going to be a lot of fun, but it is working and it is done. All right, so there it is, sitting there working and purring like a kitten. I did get it done, and said, hopefully, we'll shut this back off. There, ain't that better? And we're going to run a bunch of little equipment and stuff like this, just like we did the Predator F20, Predator powered farm all, and run some stuff. And the first thing I'm going to try is a brush hog. I'm dying to do it. I want to do it on that F20, but it'd been too much trouble more than it's worth. So, and I'll leave that video at the end of this one. But anyways, there it is. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and stay tuned. There's a lot more coming, because we're going to hook up stuff to this and try it and see what it can do and test it and all that good stuff. But I did it. Told you I would, so it's finished. And I guess that's it for this video. But stay tuned, because we're going to hook equipment to it, run different stuff, and the first one's going to be the brush hog. So you'll definitely want to see that. And I guess that's it for this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's free, don't cost nothing. Hit the bell when you do. And please share this video with someone that'll find this build right here interesting. It really helps me out. And you know, if we can get this out there, maybe we can save a few of these old girls from going to the scrapyard. People can repower them, because it's not worth the money it costs to rebuild them. I mean, it's just not. But you can do something like this and have fun doing it and save a bunch of them. So I know some of the original enthusiasts are going to whine and cry, but you know what? My tractor don't care. So anyways, before I start rambling, I'm going to call this a video. So as always, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.